Welcome to Math Form. Today we are going to discuss how to find factors. Example 1. Find the factors of 18. Factors are the numbers that divide a given number without any remainder. First, let's divide 18 by 1 is 18. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 18 divided by 3 is 6. 18 divided by 6 is 3. 18 divided by 9 is 2. And 18 divided by 18 is 1. This means 18 is divided by 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18 without a remainder. Therefore, the factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. Example 2. Find the factors of 20. First, let's divide. 20 divided by 1 is 20. 20 divided by 2 is 10. 20 divided by 4 is 5. 20 divided by 5 is 4. 20 divided by 10 is 2. And 20 divided by 20 is 1. Therefore, the factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. Example 3. Find the factors of 7. First, 7 divided by 1 is 7. And 7 divided by 7 is 1. Therefore, the factors of 7 are 1 and 7 only.